Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues. Please subscribe to our channel. When we talk about custody cases, we are generally talking about where a child ends up spending most of his or her time. Does child live with dad or live with mom? Oftentimes clients will ask, well, what about the child? Where's the child's voice in all of this? You got mom fighting dad, dad fighting mom, all this going on. Nobody's even asked the child, who is the subject matter of the fight, what he or she wants to do. Well, I'll tell you, amongst the custody factors and amongst the analysis that the court can do, is the court can take into account the expressed preference of a child of appropriate age and discretion. You got to understand something though. There's 12 unevenly weighted factors, and just because a kid says, I want to live with mom or I want to live with dad, that doesn't carry the day. The court has a lot of things to consider in determining custody. And who knows why a child may say, I want to live with dad or I want to live with mom. Maybe dad has no rules and mom runs more of a police state in her home. Dad's running Disneyland. Of course the kid's going to want to go there because he or she can do whatever she wants. That doesn't mean it's in the best interest of the child though. So do they ask the child who's of appropriate age? Yeah, they sure do. But is it going to necessarily be the thing that makes the difference? No, it's not. Just because the kid says, I want to go live with mom, doesn't mean the court's going to follow that. The kid might say, I don't want to go to school. We're going to follow that? No. You got to understand who the kid is. He's a 12-year-old kid. There's only so much of the total package the 12-year-old is actually going to know. There's only so much that they are going to be mature enough to digest. And it's the judge's requirement and it's the judge's position when the parties can't work it out to make that call. It's not the job of some teenager. If you have any questions about that, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.